Hey boo, it's your girl K Beauty and I'm back with another video. Today's video is sponsored by Bang Jazz Hair. I believe Bang Jazz? Yes. Okay, so they went ahead and sent me over a 4x4 lace wig. Look at the wig, y'all. This is a 4x4 lace closure wig. And this is a deep wave Brazilian wave hair, and it's 130% density. And they said it's supposed to be a 20-inch, but it's giving more 18-inch vibe to me. So I'm just going ahead and parting a small part, and then I'm going ahead and plucking backwards, and then just combing out all that excess hair. So just keep plucking and keep plucking until you feel like it fits you, and then move on to the next step. If you are watching this video currently, I need you to go ahead and hit that like button. I do not be seeing enough likes on my videos. I need y'all to show me some love and go ahead and just hit that like button. Like, that's all I'm asking. Hit that like button no matter what you do if you are watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, I need you to go ahead and subscribe, because I'm gonna be reaching 1,000 subscribers and I need y'all help. So I need y'all to like this video and subscribe. And if you really fuck with me, then go ahead and comment. You feel me? But no. I'm gonna take my She Is Bomb wax stick and go ahead and apply that to this wig, and this is gonna melt that lace. Is like, hey, it's gonna be melted. Just continue watching. Yes, so I'm gonna go in with this hot comb, and you know that's gonna be your best friend. It's the hot comb. So get you a hot comb, sis. Invest in you a hot comb, because that's how you gonna lay them wigs. And pretty soon I'm gonna be installing wigs, so stay tuned for that. So you're gonna make sure you go ahead and spray some conditioner and water, or you can add some mousse and water in a spray bottle and just go ahead and get some curls, get that curl activated on that hair. And y'all finna see how I'm finna be coming. Make sure you put some makeup on the lace, on the bottom of your lace, and you're gonna be good to go. You see me. You see me. Look at that part. Look at that lace. Look at the curls. It's a yes for me. Yes, I am feeling this wig, you guys. Like, yes. Look at the curl pattern. I slay this wig, period. Make sure you hit that thumbs up on this video. Hey, I'm in love with this wig. It is so convenient, super soft, and just, yes. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.